Today, I wanted to talk about something a little different, but extremely important: radiation detection. The recent reports of drones over New Jersey searching for potential radiation sources got me thinking, how prepared are we really for a nuclear event or a radiation leak? This is the GMC300S Geiger counter from GQ Electronics that I bought on Amazon several years ago. I'll show you why this little device might save your life. The GMC300S is a portable, easy-to-use Geiger counter that detects beta, gamma, and X-ray radiation. It has a digital display, real-time readings, and even data logging features. It's compact, lightweight, and perfect for EDC. Whether you're concerned about a nuclear incident, want to check out your environment, or just want peace of mind, having a reliable radiation detector on hand may make a huge difference. You might wonder why you need a Geiger counter in your everyday carry. Here's the thing: radiation is invisible. You can't see it, smell it, or taste it. The only way to detect it reliably is a device like this. The drones over New Jersey are rumored to be searching for nuclear radiation. Whether or not that's true, it highlights the potential risk. If there's a nuclear incident, or even contaminated materials, having a Geiger counter lets you check your surroundings and stay safe. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it could be life-saving. The reason I bought this Geiger counter on Amazon was because it's USB rechargeable and was under $75. When you power it on, you'll see the display shows the time. It'll show counts per minute. It'll show microsieverts per hour. Its internal data can store the data for every second for up to 24 hours, every minute for 7 days, and an average for every minute by the hour for up to 2 years. The data can also be downloaded using the USB connector to your PC using the free software from GQ Electronics. Now, the system can be displayed in a text mode. It has a graphic mode, and it has multiple graphs. So here is a bar and a line graph showing the counts per minute. You can also change to just a bar graph, a thicker bar graph, a line and a bar graph. You can also change to a large. Now this is showing millirems per hour, counts per minute, and microsieverts per hour. You can also set an alarm level, so if the threshold is exceeded, an alarm will alert you. This means you can check your home, workplace, or even the items you receive in the mail for any signs of radiation. The device uses an internal lithium-ion battery that's rechargeable, and it has the little tube that does the radiation detection. If you want to add a Geiger counter to your EDC, I will leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. You'll be supporting the channel at no extra cost to you. Being prepared isn't just about having cool gear. It's about having the right tools to keep you and your loved ones safe. A Geiger counter might seem like overkill, but when you need it, you'll be glad you have it. So what do you think about adding a Geiger counter to your EDC? What about the recent drone reports? Are they a cause for concern? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Chester's EDC for more preparedness tips. Stay safe, stay prepared, and as always, keep carrying. If you'd like to watch some of my flashlight reviews, you can watch the playlist here.